Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I share seafood fried rice, so keep watching to see how I made this. Over here are my ingredients. You can add or remove anything you don't want. Diced fish fillets. I'm using tilapia fish fillets. It's very tasty. You can use any fish of your choice. And fresh prawns, spring onions, diced bell peppers, and diced carrots. I will introduce other ingredients as we go on. I'm going to season the fish with seasoning cubes, onion powder, garlic powder and salt, and I will season the prawns with chili flakes and all-purpose seasoning. I will mix well to combine and allow it to marinate for 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes later, I will add butter in a pan, allow it to heat up. Next, I will add the prawns and allow it to fry for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. Once that is done, I will scoop it out and add vegetable oil in the same pan, add the fish and allow it to fry. Once the fish is golden brown like this, I will scoop it out and set aside. The next step is to cook my rice. In a pot, I added some of the oil I used in frying the fish. Next, I will add my chopped onions and garlic, curry powder, chopped scotch bonnet pepper, and seasoning cubes. I will mix properly to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Next, I will go in with my parboiled rice. I will mix very well and allow it to toast for 6 to 8 minutes. Once that is done, I will go in with my fish stock. I will mix well to combine and allow it to cook until done. At this time, the rice is fully cooked. I'm going to set it aside. The next step is to fry the vegetables. In a wide pot, I will add small amount of vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. Next, I will add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic to flavor the oil. Next, I will add my vegetables and season with seasoning cubes and salt to taste. I will mix well to combine and allow it to fry for 3 minutes on a high heat. Next, I will add the fish and the prawns. I will stir very well to combine and begin to add my cooked rice gradually. I will mix very well to combine and I will finish it up with spring onions. If you don't like fresh and crunchy onions, please fry it alongside with the vegetables. I will mix very well until everything is well combined. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.